Stocks on the dip. We have FNKO, CHR, INUV, and ISPC. So we'll begin with FNKO down 36.48%. Let's see. This is its daily chart on the line trend is strongly bearish. And we have what looks like a bounce, okay, or ultimately a consolidation going all the way towards Thursday, the 18th of September. We have, let's see the sort of projections we have. We have 3.19. It's an upper projection, obviously. And before now, we had 3.19 as well, 3.47, 3.92. This was as of yesterday. And as of Thursday, the 3rd of July, we had 2.88, 3.25, 3.84, 6.29, 6.92, 7.3. Okay, we have everything is severely bearish. Price pressure momentum seriously bearish. That is pressure momentum of its 10-day moving average strongly bearish, and that's also the case with its 21-day moving average. So um, maybe lower prices may continue to still to print regardless, but the algos are saying that oh yes. See, but yeah, see it's saying yes, lower prices will continue to print up till Tuesday, 12th of August. Yeah, lower prices will continue to print till then. Let's see. Okay, let's see what the news is saying. After okay, shares drop after swing to Q2 loss. Okay, shares hit a 52-week low of 2.32 early in the session and are down 72% in the past 12 months. The pop culture lifestyle company said it had a quarterly loss of $40.5 million or 74 cents a share compared with earnings of $5.12 million or 10 cents a share in the same quarter last year. Yeah, and a lot more can be found. Okay, so let's move on to the next. That's next one is CHR. CHR down 32.15%, intraday low 1.15. Okay, so here we have lower prices are expected to remain in place up to Tuesday, the 12th of August. Maybe after that, we might get a bounce, just a distributive or just an accumulative contraction, or you could just say a bounce. Yeah, with a bias or a bounce. Yeah, um, might that it might remain strong up till Wednesday, the 17th of September, at various times, uh, trying to correct. So all in all, it's just you could just say it's. I see a correction. I see a contraction with a bias to the upside. So either way, it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, so let's see what we have in terms of projections. 1.57 currently in play. Um, Yesterday we had 1.57, 1.65, 1.77, 1.93. As as of the 24th of June, we had 1.2, 1.25, 1.33, 1.83, 2.03, 2.15. Okay, so Let's see. We're likely to see. Yeah. Okay. Um, we have a strongly bearish price pressure momentum one and price pressure momentum two as well. But their derivatives are all positive, indicating that the selling pressure has diminished, or a bottom is coming up pretty soon. Let's see what the news is. Okay, this was yesterday, holding to off up to 8 million units, consisting of stock and warrants. I guess that's still behind this weakness. Yeah, it was in the post market session, so has spilled over into today's trading session. Okay, let's see what we have next. We have INUV, INUV down 27.98, intraday low 3.71. INUV. Okay, lower prices are expected to remain in place up till Tuesday, the 19th of August. Then after that, we might see an accumulative contraction that may remain in place, if you like, up till Wednesday, the 10th of September, and then after that, I might get a leg down. Projections in play, we have 2.08 downward projection, 2.699 downward projection, 3.68 downward projection, 5.79 obviously upwards, 6.85 as well upwards, and then 7.51. Yeah, and indeed, may possibly other ones, other maybe possibly higher projections elsewhere. Selling pressure is yeah, it 10 day moving average has a strong strongly bearish. The 10 day moving average is strongly bearish. However, it has a positive second derivative. That's also the case with the 21 day moving average. 21 day moving average. As a matter of fact, the two derivatives are both positive. So it's indicating that yeah, the selling pressure has lost some of its steam. It has no longer as strong as it was before. But unfortunately, the bottom is not coming up anytime soon, based on the extrapolation. But there's no guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, let's see whether there's any news to let's see any outcomes. Let's see. I don't think we have any. We may not have any news there. Yeah, it's probably some disappointing earnings outcomes. Okay, let's go on and have a look at ISPC. ISPC down 28.89%. Okay, it seems the stock was rallying yesterday, or it rallied yesterday, and it's just correcting, it seems. ISPC to establish a $200 million corporate treasury build again around the Solana. Okay, so this was yesterday, and then it spiked. Today it's down, so I think it's just a pullback. But the extrapolation is saying that it's going to continue to contract the expansion up till Tuesday, 26th of August, and then after that might attempt to resume the uptrend. But no guarantee that that will be the case. We have yesterday spiked, yeah, 2.19 upper projection, We don't have anything here. We'll have 1.45. So 1.5, 1.4, 1.45 and 1.2 okay, 1.45 here, and then here 2.19. Yes, 1.29, 1.35. Let's see whether we have anything more ambitious than okay. We have here. This is as far back as the 5th of May. 2.12, 2.29, 1.84. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see what's going to happen with the stock. So fortunately, the stock is still in a strong trend mode. The moving averages, the 10 and 21-day moving averages, they're still in strong trend modes, and nothing negative at all. So this pullback is being supported by the buying pressure or the buying efforts of. It wasn't just yesterday. The stock has been printing high prices since the 30th of July. So it has run up. I wouldn't say it's okay. 30th. Uh, it didn't. It declined on the 31. Then so if you like, since the 30th was what 30th was Wednesday. So I think it has declined twice. So 30th to till today. Okay, till yesterday. That's a six trading session. So two out of four, it's what were declined. So that's ample buying pressure that would ensure that today's decline wouldn't dent the buying pressure. Yeah, wouldn't erode the positive buying pressure that had been built up earlier on. So the buying pressure has diminished, but still very much in trend mode. Yeah. So moreover, the trend mode ensures or gives you it can just to some extent you can use it in a certain way in certain ways. For instance, if a stock is declining, has pulled back, and all these indicators have all gone negative. Um, what, for instance, if you want to know when to get in, it's when the stock gets begins to build up some trend. So once it gets to 0.25, then yes, it's a good time to buy. Even though it's a good time to buy, it's confirmed that traction has been built up. This does not mean that you shouldn't buy at for instance, a good stock, for instance, a good company. Something, nothing is wrong fundamentally, and if it just plunged today, yeah, you could decide to buy today because you know that maybe after 1 week it's going to climb up again. But um, if you this does not mean that you're wrong, but if you get in as soon as it dipped, then you'll have 1 week of your money lying idle as against getting in when it's already moving up. It's printing high prices. So yeah, amongst other things, that's one of the essence of the price pressure momentums and all that. So if you want to know where you can get these indicators, just let me know. Okay, so have a look at these stocks, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.